In this life, the realm of the heart, of the human heart and the human blood, is like a king at war. And if you don't look at it that way, like you are at war against your own sinful nature, your own weaknesses, and your own bloodline stuff, and your own brain, which is really completely serpentine entirely, and if you are not completely dependent on the Holy Ghost, His scriptures, and the things of God, you will fail miserably in this life, as most do. And they go into eternal damnation in the lake of fire, where there's weeping and gnashing of teeth forever, because they didn't use this life for the purposes of the creation, which was to conquer evil. You're placed in this world to become members of the armies of the living God. This is the history of the armies of the Lord from Genesis to Revelation, to see how much you can overcome with God, how great of an Israelite, one who conquers with God, you can become in this life.